4-time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. One of my favorites, 1992 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. And yes, polo green metallic. I don't believe there are more than 2,000 of these made in 92 in the polo green, if I remember right. But best of all, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual mile car. A little over 21,000 is on this one. Let's take a look at this front nose cone. Condition of the paint up front, as you can see, it shows well. You got to remember the car is over 30 years old, so is the paint perfect? No, but man, does it show nice? Absolutely. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct saw blade wheels. Hey, and they're even in the right direction when they rotate. LT1 power, of course, underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC. That 5.7 liters paired up with a automatic with overdrive transmission. As we take a look down the passenger side, you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. I did mention the car is over 30 years old. There may be an imperfection here or there. I do want to point out one in the back. Little scuff on that rear fascia. Not a big deal, of course, if you just want to get in this car, drive it, have some fun. Something I do want to point out is how nice, how conditioned, and these are supple also as far as the, I guess, weather stripping, foam, whatever you'd like to call it, the gaskets for the side glass, and of course for the removable top, and that is matching color, as you can see. Saddle color interior. Left this out too so you can see the tool does come with it for removing the top. You're going to need to take those 4 bolts out. I'll put that back in the center console once the top goes back on, but first remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you like Corvettes of any year or any model, maybe you like Camaros, Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Just did a C7 Z06 the other day that'll be on there. Beautiful car. Now we're going a little old school with this one with the C4. Again, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check it out. Up and down the driver's side, you can also see the paint shows well on this side. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. First thing I want to point out is steering column is nice and firm in this one. Don't use that for leverage trying to get in and out of the car. You're going to loosen that steering column. This one is not that way. Of course, modern amenities, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, door panel, nice shape. Take a look at the condition of these seats. Also very nice condition. You have a little bit of wear going in and out on the bolster, but I don't see any rips, tears, holes. Power seats both sides. Does have a different stereo system that has been installed in it. The head unit or the screen up front works fine. I have not been able to get sound out of it. There is an amp back here that they did install. Obviously, if you're familiar with the C4s, you know about the speakers, the amps. So that amp was installed. There's no power to the amp, but want to give you the heads up on that. Probably not a real big deal. Of course, tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let's check out the exact miles. Take a look at the gauges. So there's your exact miles, 21,103. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect any of those temp gauges to be up. If you see that too, miles per gallon, 17.5 miles a gallon. This car will probably do very upper 20s pretty easily on the highway for miles a gallon. Pretty economical sports car considering 300 horse, and back in the day, that is definitely some good mileage. Dash is in nice shape. There's a look at that stereo system I was talking about, aftermarket. Passenger seating surface, also extremely nice shape. Swing your legs out, basically step out of the car. You don't need to use that steering wheel. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds like a stock 92 LT1. Sounds good. Nothing crazy over the top. You gotta love this polo green metallic. All right, let me pause this. I'll tell you what, we can get this one one-handed. We don't need to pause it. Of course, the lash quite a ways underneath the dash, but we'll figure out where to look for it. There's a little picture there. It doesn't take much. All right, underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. It's like a newer battery, one of 23, a little over a year old is all. You can see the Goodyear radials. There's that LT1. I'll close the hood up here before the end of the video, and we'll check those headlights out too. And remember, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. All right. Latch nicely, so usually lower them to about a 1/16 of the way down. Let them go just that last portion. They close nice and firm and latch nicely, but don't drop them from very far, only up a few inches. And headlights. Working as they should. Wow, 1992 Chevrolet Corvette Polo Green Metallic, low miles, clean Carfax. Ready to roll. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
On this beautiful sunny day in Minnesota, we're driving a 1992 Chevrolet Corvette in a green color, which you don't see that often. It actually is very nice. The beige and black on the interior. This is an automatic right on the center console. Accelerates as you would expect. All our gauges are working well. We even have an oil temperature gauge. Nice road feel. You know, with these Corvettes, you can feel the road just enough to know it's a sports car, but it has a nice ride. And these leather bucket seats are super comfortable. Cruise control is working. This car, of course, has a removable roof. One of the great features of many Corvettes. Brakes very well. This car corners as a Corvette should. Doesn't lean very much and handles very well. transmission kickdown is working as well. It seems like every generation of Corvette is iconic, really. But this one, this is a good year. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Chevrolet Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.